Welcome to the announcement of two new tools from Solution Family based on their partnership with Artsoft and Mach 4 CNC. Solution Family Industrial and Solution Family Storage are two user-based tools that allow you to collect data from your CNC, analyze it, send it to production, and finally be able to improve the cutting process. Solution Family and Artsoft's partnership is a unique partnership, with both companies having designed systems that were designed to empower the user so that you don't need an expert to change what your system does. We provide you the tools with being able to do that. Two teams that have decades of experience delivering real-world systems to the factory floor. We have connectivity to legacy and future systems, so those old stubborn machines and the newest machines with the latest interfaces are both addressed by the solution. We have out-of-the-box production integration, so if you want to know how your machine is doing, how its efficiency, how well it's being used, all of that information is immediately available to you and to other systems. We can drag and drop with Solution Family tools to local databases, remote databases, and if you want, cloud data storage. We have complete data access through the Mach 4 SDKs into the controller, and all of that information is now available through Solution Engine. You can see information about paths and all of your tools. Solution Engine provides a full industrial controller with decision making at the machine. So as you learn new information and learn things about your controller, you can immediately implement that information right at the machine. Let's take a look at the combined features of the Solution Family products and the Artsoft Mach 4 CNC controller. We start with the Mach 4 CNC controller, which provides complete machine control. It takes and provides access to all of the machining parameters, all of the tool information, offsets, all the trajectory information, and allows this to all run above a pluggable motion system. All of this is given access through an complete SDK so that you can provide and connect to machine parameters, tool information, and watch and monitor the machine running. Solution Family starts with over 50 industrial protocols, including MT Connect, and giving that information back into an industrial controller where you can make decisions, have rules, and make choices based on the analytics. We have complete drag and drop access to databases or cloud connections. You can have local and remote analytics where you're looking locally at how your machine's doing, or remotely you may be looking at how many machines are doing. And all of this provides information so that you can do full production integration. So you do know locally how your machine's doing, and you can report all of that information in standard formats back to a larger production system. We're here to announce two new products that are going to build on top of the Mach 4 CNC controller. We start with the Mach 4 CNC controller that provides full machine control, pluggable motion, all the machining parameters, and SDK access. And we utilize the SDK to be able to give us connections to the Solution Family. And Solution Family will offer two products. First, Solution Family Storage. So it provides a full industrial controller with rules and analytics and interfaces to be able to control what's happening at the machine, combined with database storage. So you will automatically be storing information about every part that gets created, how long it took to run. It'll tell you how well your machine's being analyzed by looking at the production analytics. So locally, you know, in a standard called OEE, tells you exactly how efficient you've been running, how much time on the machine you've been using. And all of that combined with the interfaces of MT Connect. That is Solution Family Storage. The second product is Solution Family Industrial, which builds upon Solution Family Storage and offers you over 50 industrial protocols that you can connect your machine to. Taking information, not only being able to store locally, being able to store on databases that were within your facility, cloud storage, whichever database storage mechanism you'd like, and give you full production integration. So all of this information that you're calculating locally then can be moved into other systems and be able to connect to other remote analytics. So we have Solution Family Storage with being able to take your information, storing it locally and doing analytics, and then Industrial, which expands the systems you can touch and adds the ability to get that information from your machine to other machines or into production. The industry is always busy creating new buzzwords and acronyms for us to deal with. We're going to look at the term Industry 4.0, and even if you haven't heard the term, it gives you an opportunity to look at the value of combining Solution Family with the ArtSoft Mach 4 CNC controller. Industry 4.0, in short, is a promise that new systems will understand the process. They'll be able to look at machines and analyze them, provide connectivity to production, so all of this new information we have to be able to deliver that back up so we can manage it. We're going to integrate with legacy and not leave it behind, be able to touch all of those old machines, connect to analytics in the cloud and get new information and knowledge, decentralized decision making so decisions can be made at the machine that have more information than they have today. In short, be able to take all this information, combine it, and improve the process. That is the promise of Industry 4.0. In short, Industry 4.0 is a promise, and let's see how Solution Family and Mach 4 deliver on this promise. We have complete controller access to develop understanding, so we can get all the information from the CNC, and we bring that back up. That's information. Now we're going to take the analytics within Solution Family and start looking at the real-time state of the machine and the history of the machine to develop an understanding. We have out-of-the-box production integration, so we now looking at when parts are being produced, when the machine's running, when the machine is not, and accumulating that to get production information. We connect to both legacy. We don't forget legacy. We have over 50 protocols that are available and future protocols also within that 50 that are being delivered on the machines for today. We have one-click cloud integration, so you can just drag some data into a database that's being used by big data. We have complete controller access. The Mach 4 CNC provides interfaces so that we can get access to all the information from path planning, trajectory planning, to motion systems, to all of the tool information. All of that information is immediately available. And all of that within a full industrial controller that is provided by a solution engine with decision making that can move anywhere from the individual machine to the cloud. In short, Solution Family and Mach 4 uniquely combine to deliver on the promises of Industry 4.0. So we're announcing on top of the ArtSoft Mach 4 CNC platform, combined with Solution Family, two new products. Solution Family Storage that provides local database storage with production analytics on top of a full industrial controller, allowing you to have rules and analytics and interfaces. And Solution Family Industrial, which combines all the features of Solution Family Storage, adding over 50 industrial protocols to legacy and future machines, remote database and cloud storage, production integration, and remote analytics. And the goal is we're going to take you forward with new videos to take deep dives into Solution Family Storage and Industrial to show them how they empower both you and your machines. Thank you.